So if you're having problems with these overheating, the Citroën C3s or Citroëns, it can be that these are overfull, or the radiator cap's faulty. Take it off, have a look. Maybe serpent belt's gone, or the water pump. And check your oil as well, just to make sure it ain't creamy, so you ain't got an head gasket failure. Now normally, if your fan isn't working, turning, it's this device here. It's a resistor stroke relay. And obviously that senses the temperature and adjusts the speed of the fan accordingly. Why it ain't just on and off, I don't know. So you can check in there for your fuses, go through each fuse with your multimeter, check on each side of the metal tabs to make sure that you've got continuity. So check all your fuses are fine. You can also force your fan to run by either turning your AC on. So just go inside, press your AC button. If it feels cold, the fan should be on. Or you can just pull this off, which is your temperature sensor. And that should force the fan to go full blast. So if you pull that off and the fan's not coming on, or you put the AC on and the fan's not coming on, it's either the motor's gone completely, or this, which is more likely, this resistor relay unit. So that needs replacing.